everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about something that confuses a lot of English learners. The difference between have, has and had. Don't worry, I'm going to make this super simple for you. So what's the first thing you think of when you hear the word have? For me, it's possession, like owning something. For example, I have a phone. That's the most basic use and it's really important for beginners to understand. Let me break this down for you. When I say I have a phone, I am using the simple present tense to talk about something that's true right now. In my life, it's statement about possession. Now, what if we change the subject? Instead of I, what if we say he or she? That's where we need to use has instead of have. So we would say he has a phone or she has a phone. The difference is I have, you have, we have, they have, he has, she has, it has. So remember, use have with I, you, we and they, and use has with he, she and it. In our next video, we'll cover had and how to use all three forms correctly. But for now, practice these basic sentences and you'll be on your way to mastering this grammar point.